Design thinking is a creative process for discovering new ideas. Now let's take a look at the design thinking process of this project. Take this challenge to build a bicycle pavilion, and you'll learn skills architects use every day at work. How to do user research, collaborate on designs that meet building codes, and present a 3D model that wins over even the toughest biker clients. With creativity and critical thinking, your class could create the ultimate cyclist hangout. Ready to think like an architect? Let's get started. First, gather your materials and download Revit. Go to the Bicycle Pavilion project page to find the complete instructor's guide and a link to download Revit software. There's also a designer guide with step-by-step instructions for the project. Now you have everything you need to lead this project in your classroom, including a clear project roadmap, challenge exercises, and tutorial videos that show how to make animations with Revit. To inspire your students and keep classroom projects on track, professional architect Will Fowler explains each phase of this architecture challenge in his design thinking videos. Will shares insider tips and real-world advice he learned from working with the Architectural Foundation of San Francisco. Step 1. Understand the challenge. Collaboration gets students excited about this project and introduces big ideas. Students discuss the role of bicycles in their local community. Why would a city want to build a public bike pavilion? Students need to identify open spaces in their town where they could build a bike pavilion. Which location would be best to attract locals and tourists? Is there a location most convenient to bike lanes or bicycle trails? Where is it legal and safe to build your pavilion? Hold a class discussion to answer these questions. Step 2. Explore the possibilities. Research bicycling trends in your community. Are more people biking lately? Are people biking just for fun or as a primary form of transportation? Is there a bicycle sharing program in your town? What do bicyclists need? Go online or visit your local library to research different biking facilities and trends around the world. Step 3. Define key ideas. Synthesize and clarify ideas with thumbnail sketches. Once you've chosen your ideal location, sketch out the basic footprint of your bicycle pavilion. What are your space constraints? How does this define and shape the size of your building? How can you maximize space, sunlight, and views? What materials can you use to make your design attractive? What are the essential functions of your pavilion? And which are the best options in the pavilion to serve these functions? Answer these questions to help define the design needs for your pavilion and start making some sketches. Step 4. Ideate. Get creative. Using different techniques such as hand and computer sketches, begin drawing out some initial designs for your pavilion. Keeping your design criteria in mind, sketch the basic form of your pavilion, add features, and then see how they work together. Does one side of your pavilion get too little sunlight or too much? Discuss your ideas with your class. Be sure to highlight how your design will address the needs of your clients. Design is an iterative process, so don't worry about making the perfect design right away. With each new version they make, students learn to define and communicate their concepts more clearly. Step 5. Prototype. With the help of the tutorial videos, use Revit to develop a floor plan that's accessible, functional, and beautiful. Test your design by playing with different features in the software to see if there are some design elements you can add to your pavilion while still meeting the design criteria. Exchanging constructive, encouraging feedback helps students develop their creative vision and improves their communication, collaboration, and presentation skills. Step 6. Refine your design. In groups of 2 or more students, discuss your model to pinpoint what's working and what needs tweaking. Does your design meet the criteria you outlined in the define phase? Use feedback and tutorial videos to add architectural details that improve the look and function of your design. Step 7. The solution. It's showtime. Present your design and renderings from a variety of views: interiors, surface details, elevations. Show how it looks by day and night so that your client will be won over by your design. Make a physical model of your design to aid you in your presentation. Afterwards, reflect on the design thinking process in a journal by writing down how each phase helped you create your model. Step 8. Share your success. Upload your final 3D model to the Digital STEAM Workshop for the world to admire. Announce your success on social media and enjoy the kudos. You earned them. Who knows? Maybe an architecture studio will find the talent they're looking for in your classroom. We hope you use this project to inspire your students. Thank you.